Hello and welcome to NeetGPT, your smart digital platform for NEET preparation. Let's walk you through the process of registering your school on our website. To get started, visit https://neetgpt.in and click on the Get Started button. You will now see two options: School Registration, Student Registration. In this video, we'll guide you through the school registration process. Step 1. Fill in the registration form. Let's go over each field in the form. Enter the full name of your school. Example: Green Valley Public School. Type the complete address of the school. Example: 12A, Sunrise Road, Newtown. Mention the city where your school is located. Example: Pune. Choose the state where your school belonging to. Example: Maharashtra. Enter a valid email address that will be used for official communication. Example: greenvalleypune@gmail.com. Write the phone number of the school or the coordinator. Example: +90 198 76 54 32 10. Select the languages in which your school provides education. You can choose one or more languages like English, Hindi, Marathi, Tamil, Telugu, and more. Step 2. Submit the form. Once all the fields are filled, click the Register as School button at the bottom. Your registration request will be submitted successfully. That's it. You've now completed the school registration process on NEET-GPT. Thank you for registering your school with NeetGPT. Let's help students succeed together.